Here we have the Tepus Stalis deformis, a rare snake found deep in the jungles of West Africa. It is a solitary creature, more commonly known as the butt-ugly snake. We see this introverted animal stir as it wakes early in the morning, at 3 p.m. We can see here a common trash goblin sitting peacefully on the cliffside.
What?
The deformis sneaks up to bite the unsuspecting creature to make a quick supper out of it.
Wait, is he gonna bite me? Hey, whoa, hey, wait a minute. Oh, whoa, wait, whoa. Ah!
As the cliff is too steep, the butt-ugly snake will be unable to retrieve its dinner. Ah, here comes the larger, more dangerous snake to feast on the remains of the trash goblin. Perhaps this was a peace offering to the dominant predator. Oh, what are you doing? No, oh, never mind. Pleased with his work, the butt-ugly snake returns home, content and ready for a long night's sleep. This concludes the day of the Terpus Stalis deformis, a truly spiteful and butt-ugly animal.